Hello everyone, how are you? I'm sure you all are good and thank you for asking. I'm also good. I know you all are worried about me. Okay, I have something interesting for you. But before telling, I have a question. Have you ever seen people arguing together on a conflict? I have also seen. And what do you know what is the conclusion always? The conclusion is they their relationship breaks and their image also they lose their image in public. Do you know why? I have brought a psychology, law of psychology, and this tells us that we should not argue with anyone. We should win with our action, never win with our argument. Do you know when you argue with someone, it is always a cause of break your relationship. It is always a cause to a big conflict. It will be always a cause that maybe you will be win, but you may lose from somewhere because you will lose your respect in the public. You will lose your respect in someone's heart who is arguing with you. Instead, if you are at the time calm, silent, but your action tells everything that you are skilled, whatever is a reason of the argument. So it will be good. That is why this law of psychology always tells us that we should keep silence when it required. It doesn't mean that you are always keep silent if something is happening wrong with you, but you are keeping your mouth silent. No, it should not. If there is a problem with someone else, you should speak. If there is a problem with you, you should speak. But if there is an argument without any reason, do not speak. Always keep silent in this situation. Do your hard work and let your hard work speak, your actions speak. They will respect you a lot. When our hard work and action speaks, none, people feel respect for us, and it will really help you in to make a good relation in the public. Have you ever think about it? Actually, I never thought. I personally think that if someone is arguing with me, I will not lose my argument. What comes in my mentality, you know what? Actually, I think what others will think about me if I lose my argument. Actually, this is the main reason that is making my personality reputation down. Do you know? I should not think about others. I should think my reputation. If I think no reason, there is no requirement to argue with him. If he is speaking, let him speak. I will answer him by my action. Then what will happen? They even not others. The person who is arguing with me, he will also respect me. That is why this psychology tells us that we should not argue always. Sometimes we should let speak our hard work.